to my prophecy. Stress in the city, the cops are stopping me. The project is full of bullets, the bodies is dropping. They ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving, I'm making millions. Witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in the abandoned buildings. Carries the children cause they're illin'. Addicted to killing and the appeal from the captain villain. Without feeling, but will they last? So be blasted, part of this basket. Maybe you'll listen in this casket, the aftermath. More bodies being buried. I'm losing my homies in a hurry. They relocating to the cemetery. Got me worried, stressing my business worried. The question is will I live? No one in the world loves me.
I got to keep on walking on the road to Zion. Hey, we got to keep it burning on the road to Zion, man. Clean and pure meditation without a doubt. Don't make them take you like who them took out. Jah will be waiting there, we a shout. Jah will be waiting there. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy, and police will abuse them authority. Media accounts when I know about variety. Single parents will need some charity. Youths will need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy, by any plan and any means and strategy. Say, you got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, man.
Been waiting to do this track with you, man. Yeah, haha, yeah.
You know,
yeah, they know.
You got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, man.
You gotta keep walking, y'all. Yeah, you gotta keep. Sometimes I can't help but feel helpless. I'm having daymares and daytime, wide awake, try to relate. This can't be happening like I'm in a dream while I'm walking. Cause what I'm seeing is haunting. Human beings like ghosts and zombies. President Mugabe holding guns to innocent bodies in Zimbabwe. They make John Pope seem godly, sacrilegious and blasphemous. In my lifetime I look back at paths I walk, where savages fought and pastors taught. Prostitutes stomping high heel boots and badgers scream at young black children. Stop or I will shoot. I look back and cook crack plus cars that pass by. Jaguars, mad fly, and I'm guilty for materialism. Blacks are still up in the prison. Trust that, so save me your sorries. I'm raising the army, revolutionary warfare with Damian Marley. We sparking the irons, marching to Zion. You know how Nas be, NYC state of mind.
In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy, and police will abuse them authority. Media accounts when I know about variety. The youngest veteran I go murder them slow. Ragamuffin sent to call me from the bush bungalow. When I watch it make a clear out, my voice now figure out. Emerge from the darkness with me big blood to glow. The yam of them a slam and spectator get low. Some boy coulda big like Bam Bam Bigelow. Bust off trigger finger, trigger and then trigger toe. I two got me up, me bust them in a stereo. Cause I got to keep on walking on the road to Zion, man. Hey, we got to keep it burning on the road to Zion, man. Clean and pure meditation without a doubt. Don't make them take you like who them took out. Jah will be waiting there, we a shout. Jah will be waiting there. Clean and pure meditation without a doubt. Don't make them take you like who them took out. Jah will be waiting there, we a shout. Jah will be waiting there. In this world of calamity, dirty looks and grudges and jealousy, and police will abuse them authority. Media accounts when I know about variety. Single parents will need some charity. Youths will need some love and prosperity. Instead of broken dreams and tragedy, by any plan and any means and strategy.
I'm headed for danger. Don't trust strangers. Put one in the chamber whenever I'm feeling this anger. Don't wanna make excuses, cause this is how it is. No one notices to you. It's just me against the world, baby.
another beat, planning a flight somewhere hot on the wave runner, tanning with dice, blowing the haze while all of them giving me brains. One at a time, y'all start from the front of the line.
Ladies, my Mercedes, hold on the back, keep it gap, cats try to test me, they just fans like De Niro, Wesley.
Come on! What would you do if it was you? Couldn't answer such a horrible pain to live through.
Back 10 lace with the know-how to paper chase. Crushed dice on my rolly face and a platinum fan base.
Saboteur, walk the block with a Labrador. Strapped with more corral for war than Al Salvador. Style galore, verbal cow manure.
No fairy tales, this young black man. Some see me stranded in this land of hell, jail and crack sales.
Flooded with the double law, real street shit. The blonde hair bandit, you got guns handed to my face when I bust the cannon.
Come on!
What's the fucking calling? Pass the hot dog. Bitch, check the fucking out. I'ma keep eating with the Simmons comes to my house. The chainsaw to cut me out.
Come on! Cold-blooded murder! This hot shit will have you smelling like a fucking burger!
Yes, y'all, chick a man be ballin'. Deep chicks pigeon toed, some of them be crawlin'.
Call you a lawyer, file you a lawsuit. I smile in that courtroom, buy you a wardrobe.
What I look like, giving a chick half my track, like she wrote half my past. Yeah, I'm having that.
Imagine smoking weed in the street without cops harassing. Imagine going to court with no trial. Lifestyle cruising blue Bahama waters. No welfare supporters. More conscious of the rainy days I thought it's
I stand and I sit, and I'm thankful for every band that I get.